In this series, we're going to talk about how to make your houseplant stylish. And one of the first things you can do to add a little zip to your plants is to just add some rocks to them. This is a cactus, and instead of just putting it in a simple pot, I have a beautiful decorated pot with beautiful colors, but it's the stones that add so much excitement to this plant. They're made of slate or agates, and they're just cut into little pieces. And then we've got a larger stone in the middle, so it almost looks like a little Zen garden right in your little planter. That's one easy thing you can do with rocks. And this is just a very small container, but we've added a little bit of an excitement to it by adding a little bit of purple rocks to it. And it kind of highlights the plant that way, so it looks like it's in an oasis, and it's just beautiful. You can use marbles on the top of your house plants just like we've used rocks. But I love using marbles in my vases and forcing my bulbs on the top. So this is so simple. I have a vase and some marbles, and I've put a daffodil in there, and the water is just to the bottom of the bulb, and here we have a beautiful houseplant. Those are just a few ways that you can use rocks. In the next segment, we'll talk about using moss and lichen.